prove that k cubed plus brackets k plus 1 cubed equals 2k plus 1 brackets k squared plus k plus 1. To be able to do this, we need to know the sum of cubes. A cubed plus b cubed should equal a plus b in brackets, then brackets a squared minus ab plus b squared. So now it's this right here that we're gonna apply it to here and see if it's gonna give us this. So if I'm looking at this right here, k cubed is the a cubed. So here, if a cubed is k cubed, then a would be k. And the b cubed is the k plus 1 cubed, and therefore b equals k plus 1. Okay, now let's apply it to there. So k cubed plus k plus 1 cubed will equal a, which is going to be k, plus b, which is going to be k plus 1 in 1 brackets, and then we're going to have the a squared, so we're going to take the kn squared plus or minus ab, so it's k times k plus 1, so k times k plus 1, and then plus b squared, and b squared is going to be plus k plus 1 squared, and all of that inside brackets. Now here we're going to get the 2k plus 1, and there we're going to do a little bit of work here. So k squared minus k times k is k squared, and negative k times positive 1 is negative k. Okay, plus, now this here, we're going to square it, and when squaring this, instead of writing twice and foiling it, we just square the k, and then we go 2 times k times 1, that will give us plus 2k, and then you square the 1, so that's plus 1. Okay, now the k squared and the negative k squared will be gone, so we have 2k plus 1 brackets, negative k plus 2k, that's 1k, but let's write the k squared there first, and make sure we put this in brackets. K squared, and then negative k plus 2k will give us plus k, and we have the plus 1. Did we prove it? Does this look like this? Yes, it does. So that's how we prove it. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye bye.